We're here at Plitvice
Jezera.
Jezera.
Exactly.
We are in Plitvice Jezera. I'm here with our tour guide Milan, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this place.
We are here at the Plitvice Lakes. We are doing walking tour around this beautiful natural phenomenon. It's made through thousands of years of water flowing, and nothing much to say. It's 16 lakes, thousands of waterfalls. Yeah.
Can you tell us about the area that we're in? Like what region are we in?
We are in Croatia. We are in the inland of Croatia. This is rural. Like you have a coastal Croatia and you have inland of Croatia. This is inland, mountain area. So somewhere it's about 100 kilometers from the coast. And this is the most famous national park in Croatia, so that's why we went here. But other than this tour is going to stick to the coast. We are on the coast and we're going to go island hopping. So tomorrow we are going on in the Kornati Islands, and we'll be circling around there, and then we'll start going back towards Split and stopping in a couple of more places.
Tonight we'll be going to Zadar, and we're gonna have some dinner, and I think we're also gonna be walking around, aren't we? We've got a walking tour of Zadar, don't we?
Yes.
Tomorrow morning. Okay, so we're gonna go check out the sea organ in Zadar. Hope you guys like the park. I'll check you guys out at the next stop.
See you guys.
Which absorb the daylight during the day, and in the evening time, it all lights up. So you can see red, green, blue, yellow, all different colors shining here. So the waves from inside, they push the pipes and they push the air, and you can hear this whole sound coming from here, from this part.
What's up, everyone? It's me, Banky. We're here with Intrepid on their Croatia adventure cruising product, and I'm here with your favorite, Milan. What's up?
What up?
So, Milan, where are we at today? Where are we?
Okay, as only sober person on the boat, I'm
not true. I'm sober.
I'm in charge of saying where we are. So we are now in the region of Zadar area, aquatorium of Zadar waters. We are sailing towards the national park Kornati, which is one of the wonders of nature of Croatia. That is the cluster of deserted islands.
And so Kornati National Park is actually made up of a bunch of islands. Do you know how many islands in total it is?
I don't know, it's about 30, 40. Yeah.
Today we spent the afternoon here. What region is this again? I'm sorry.
This is Dalmatia. It is northern Dalmatia.
Okay, so we spent the afternoon here, jumping off the back of the ship. We've been kayaking, we've been swimming, everyone's been having a great time. There's a bar open, there's a sun deck open. Milan, I think you've been doing some work today. But,
I've been actually doing some work, but the guys are getting out of control, so I should be putting some rules in place, like cutting off people.
You heard the man, we're getting cut off today.
Kornati Island, which is a really amazing place. One of the places you must see, and see you here next year.
so we're here in Trogir. Here we have Milan.
Again, we are somewhere in central Dalmatia on the coast. It is one of the most ancient Croatian cities. It dates back to around 3rd century before Christ, when Greek settlers came here and settled this peninsula. And since then, so for about 2,300 years, this city was vibrant center of Croatian culture, history. Everything was happening here. Even some Croatian kings were crowned here. It is a place where UNESCO World Heritage cathedral is St. Lovre, which is amazing example of Croatian architecture and art and everything. So city is full of culture and full of history, full of art, and something that should be explored for more than just a couple of hours. But it's a good preview and something that can make you come back someday and enjoy it fully.
Absolutely. And we were just walking around this morning, and you know, we saw buildings that were like houses that were like 800 years old, 500 years old. A lot of these structures are still original, right? From the original times?
Original. The main thing here is the cathedral I mentioned, which is built in 1402. So that cathedral was built to commemorate a Croatian king, and then it was built there, and since then it is one of the most important Croatian structures, and it's really nice inside and outside. So, but the rest of the city is mostly medieval because of the wars. It was torn down and then built up. So it's all medieval kind of city with the walls around it, and built by Venetians and Austro-Hungarians. So that's the short history of the place.
All right, cool. So Trogir is actually our last stop, and when we leave here, excuse me, when we leave here, we sail to Split, yeah?
Yes.
And then the tour is officially over tomorrow morning after breakfast. Tonight we have the captain's dinner. So as Milan was saying, you know, we only have a couple hours here, but you definitely need more time. We think the best way to do that is get on an Intrepid tour, come over here to Trogir and spend some more time, huh?
Yes, Intrepid tour. There are a couple of ones that touch this town, and I strongly recommend doing them because it's a new thing up to be discovered in the future. So you want to be the first one here.
Cool. So I hope you guys have enjoyed your time following us around the Dalmatian coast. This is where we're gonna say goodbye, and hope to see you here soon. Bye.
Bye.